And regardless of whether it's a smaller claim or damage to a larger claim or damage, the process is always the same. And the thing you're specifically referring to is a thing called 100% disassembly or blueprinting. So what we do is we do a number of things previously. So we scan the computers for DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes. We pre-measure the vehicle. I explain to people it's much like going to the emergency room. If you were to fall out of a tree and hurt yourself, the doctor and nurses, they're going to take some vital signs. That's us scanning the computers in your car to see if there's any faults in the electronics. And then we pre-measure the unibody and the frame. That would be like the doctor or the x-ray technician taking an x-ray of your arm because you said your arm hurt since you fell out of the tree. They're going to take an x-ray to make sure you didn't break a bone. So we do those things up front. And then before we even start the disassembly process, our technicians do what we call research the repair procedures. So we go in and we have access to a database for what all the manufacturers say, this is the way it's supposed to be done. And these are the things we have to do. These are the kind of parts we use. So we research that repair procedure from top to bottom of all the things that we know. It's not uncommon for a technician to go back to the repair procedures as they disassemble it, because as they disassemble it, like I said with that lady's Toyota, they're going to find additional damage that they couldn't see up front. So they got to research the repair procedures on how do we take this apart? What can we use? A lot of manufacturers now have one-time use only parts. So once you take it off the vehicle, you can't reuse it. You have to replace it, even though it doesn't have damage. It's really important. Even though it does not have damage from the accident, it has to be replaced. So these are all the things that we're doing and identifying in this 100% disassembly, or what we call the blueprinting procedure, so that we get an itemized, accurate list of exactly what's wrong with the car, exactly what needs to be done to the vehicle, and why it needs to be done.